Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fan motor on your Woodwind Pro, which continuously blows air up through the auger to feed your flame. For the sake of this video, we're going to be showing you on a hopper that is already taken off of the pellet grill. You do not need to do this step, but it will show you a little clearer what to do. Before we get started, make sure your pellet grill is unplugged, and let's get into it. Like always, let's undo these 7 screws on the bottom of the hopper in order to undo our connector. Next, you need to carefully cut the zip tie so that we can undo the connector for the fan. With that undone, you can now start to unscrew the 4 screws for the fan. Now that your old one is out, you can go ahead and replace it with a new one by following the same steps in reverse order. Now you can line your new fan up, and if you're using a drill, make sure to go very slow to avoid stripping or cross-threading any screws. Now you can match your connector back up to the letter C. If it does not have a sticker on it, you can mark it beforehand with a Sharpie, just so you don't forget. And now you can reinstall the bottom plate. Hopefully this video was helpful in replacing the fan motor on your Woodwind Pro. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline.